Have you ever thought about working in a country where even the minimum salary is higher than the average salary in most of the Europe? The country is Luxembourg. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get in. Luxembourg is a small country. Do not let that fool you. It is one of the wealthiest countries in the world. The capital, Luxembourg City, is a home to dozens of major European institutions and financial organizations. And because the country is small, there is always a shortage of workers. Right now, Luxembourg is looking for workers in finance and banking, information technology, construction and engineering, logistics and transport, healthcare, and English is widely spoken in Luxembourg, alongside French, German, and Luxembourgish. So, language is not the barrier most people think it is. To work in Luxembourg as a non-EU citizen, you need two things: a work permit and a long stay visa. Here is what you need to qualify. 1. A signed job offer or employment contract from a Luxembourg employer. 2. A recognized degree of professional qualifications in your field. 3. Prove that your employer has registered with the Luxembourg authority. And here is what you will need to prepare. 1. Valid passport with at least 6 months validity remaining. 2. Sign employment contract from your Luxembourg employer. 3. Academic certificate or professional qualifications. 4. Biometric passport photos. 5. Proof of accommodation in Luxembourg. Your employer can provide this. 6. Clean criminal record certificate from your home country. 7. Completed visa application form. Here is the step-by-step process to get your Luxembourg work visa. Step 1. Find your job in Luxembourg. Go to jobs.lu. That is the main job portal in Luxembourg. Also check LinkedIn, Movie Jobs, and Indeed Luxembourg. For financial sector jobs, go to ALFI. That is the Association of Luxembourg Fund Industry website. When you apply, be upfront that you need a visa sponsorship. Most Luxembourg employer knows this process well. Step 2. Your employer gets authorization from the Ministry of Immigration. Once you have a job offer, your employer must apply to the Luxembourg Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs for authorization to hire a non-EU worker. This takes around 4 to 6 weeks. Once the authorization is granted, you apply for a Type D long stay visa at the Luxembourg embassy or consulate in your country. Submit all the documents I listed earlier. Pro tip: book your embassy appointment as early as possible. Waiting time can be long. Get everything ready before you even receive your authorization so you can move fast. Step 4. Once you arrive in Luxembourg, you must register your address with your local commune within 3 months. After 1 year, you can apply for a renewable resident permit. Processing time overall, typically 3 to 5 months from job offer to visa. If you want me to send you a verified list of Luxembourg employers and recruitment agencies that sponsor foreign workers, drop Luxembourg in the comments right now and I will send it to you for free. Luxembourg might be one of the smallest countries in Europe, but for foreign workers, it is one of the biggest opportunities. Highest minimum wage on the continent, English-friendly environment, and a consistent demand for skilled workers. Start your job search today. Prepare your documents and take that first step towards a new life. If this video helped you, Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with someone who is looking for a way into Europe. I'll see you in the next video.